This is the elevator here at M&M World in Times Square, New York, New York. Monitor PC buttons. Button doesn't light up, but I know it works because the indicator lit up. Loud music playing, so I may have to mute parts of the audio. Oh, it's here. All right. Let's go to 3. Stopping on 2. Huh. I guess they took the escalator. This is a nice elevator. No clue what brand it is. Like almost everything else in New York City, it has monitor. Going down?
Yeah.
You going to 2 or 1?
1.
Okay. Alright. Signal button. Ooh, that was a loud crash. We're stopping on 2. Going down? Come on in. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This capacity on this, 2,500 pounds. Ooh. Oh, you can see up the shaft. That's a GAL interlock, so I don't know who installed this. And that's it.